Hey everybody, how you doing? It's been a while, but check this out. What a way to come back to my video making days when I got 3C Auto Repair. I got my town car there. I was actually just picking up a work vehicle. It's not even, this video is not even about my town car or anything else, but I was picking up a work vehicle that 3C Automotive helped me fix, and look at this. Look what I found sitting right here. So I asked the mechanic, I'm like, whoa, what's up with this? He's like, oh, I thought you sent them. I was like, I sent them? I don't know what you're talking about. And he said, well, some guy came in here. He said he saw one of my YouTube videos. He said he reached out to me and I suggested 3C Automotive. Now, I don't know whose car this is. I didn't ask like for the name, the email, the address, whatever. He's like, yeah, I thought you knew him. So be honest with you, I don't know whose vehicle this is, but obviously the advertisement of, getting my car serviced here, and I am currently using this place, 3C Auto Repair, for my like work vans and stuff. The company that I currently work for, I'm like the fleet manager. So we just picked up a vehicle and look at this. So yeah, so whoever you are, I guess thank you for for coming here. And he's like, you're the only guy with a Lincoln town car. And I'm like, this is like the second town car ever here, I guess over the last like 10 years. But he said he used to work on these things way back when these things were used as limos, but not since. So let's check this out. So whoever's vehicle this is, thank you. I hope you're okay with me filming it. So I'm just gonna comment a little bit. It got a little bit of a foggy headlights, but nothing outrageous. Nice chrome. Let's see, what kind is it? This is a signature. This is a signature trim with a wood steering wheel, so that's kind of interesting. Let's check this out. Wow, this is a real treat. All right, rims. Yeah, corroded. We all know that. They all corrode. Nice tires. Nice beefy tires. All right, the little Lincoln stuff that's coming off here. So now I'm not going to ask them to open the doors or unlock the doors, but I will just quickly kind of film. Yeah, nice setup. So it's a signature with heated seats. And a wood steering wheel. Really interesting. Yeah, right here. Look, got a nice pinstripe right here. Oh, the pillar treatment. Okay. Looking good. Tan interior. Nice seats. A little sunk, but nothing too bad. Wow, really good condition on the inside. I know you guys have glare, but I'm sorry about that. So let's check this out. Oh, I know this. Yep. I don't have this yet, but I do have a little bit here. So yeah, there's rust. There's definitely rust underneath. So I have a little version of this bubbling currently, and I thought I fixed it, but I really didn't. I just prolonging its lifespan. So that's a little pinstripe coming off. Let's see. Okay, so this must be like an 05-ish something. Let's see. Oh, I need to check out the gauges, what kind of gauges these are, because yeah, these sensors are old school. All right, Lincoln. Ooh, I am jealous of this. This one is nice and black and crisp, while mine is kind of starting to go. Let's see. See, look, it's still snow. It's like the 11th of March today, and there's snow on the ground. All right, let's see if I can zoom out a little. There you go. Sorry if there's like a little fisheye effect. Fishbowl, fisheye. I just can't get far enough. All right, a little touch up here and there. Looks like it's got a backup camera, kind of just screwed in. And look, if whoever is the owner, if you're watching this, comment big, hey, it's me. It would be cool to know who you are and why you decided to go here. Was it really me? Okay, yeah, it's got the same issue. Yeah, there's rust right here. So, all right, a little curbing on these rims, and I understand some of it is salt, but not so much corrosion happening here. You know what? This door is unlocked, but I will not go in here. I learned my lesson. So I do, you know what? Let me look at the let me look here. What kind of gauge cluster? Okay, so this is an old style, the single speedometer thing here. So it's, you know, it's an 04, you know, 03, whatever. I kind of like these, but they are just stuck on, so they're not really, you know, secure. No sunroof. Yep. So there you have it. It's an interesting little treat. So here's what I'm gonna do also, because there's one other thing that I kind of noticed, and it's right over here. I'm just gonna walk here now. This place, this is a body shop that has nothing to do with the mechanic. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do a little preview for you guys on this video, because look at this. When was the last time you saw a vehicle like this? So I'm gonna end it at a cliffhanger, and I'm gonna post the next video with this vehicle. Just look at this. I have no idea. Are they gonna start yelling at me for filming here? I don't know, but we'll see you next time.